How's it, gardeners? Sanbonani Goeiedag. Join me, Noni Kumalo, and my friends as we unearth what Life is a Garden does for you. Yes, you. As a subscribed green finger part of our tribe, we've got a few benefits to enjoy for absolutely free. As you can see, our website is loaded with free inspiration and provides you with a one-stop platform with access to seasonal grow guides for your region, our huge plant archives, trending now articles, DIY for the families, pest control solutions, gardening events and clubs in your area, and so much more. We even have a section where you can ask an expert and we'll get back to you with professional advice. You'll also find our Botanical Boss article for each month that explores the plants and trends for the season with help from relevant industry experts from around South Africa. In addition, we also provide podcasts for the gardener on the go, monthly newsletters to enrich your eco-wisdom, posters, how-to videos, and polls on our seasonal garden group on Facebook. Our content covers a wide range of topics for both beginners and advanced gardeners with different growing goals. Level up your game by subscribing to our newsletter via the website and join us on social media at Life is a Garden SA.